If you're watching this video right now, then one thing is very clear: you want your eyes to become sharper, clearer, stronger, and healthier. Maybe your vision is getting weaker, maybe your screen time is high, maybe your eyes feel tired all the time, or maybe you simply want the bright, clean clarity that your eyes used to have years ago. And yes, you absolutely can improve your eyesight. Today, in this video, I'm giving you a complete 7-day vision booster challenge that has already helped thousands of people strengthen their eye muscles, improve clarity, reduce strain, and regain natural sharpness. And remember, at the very end of this video, I will give you a powerful pro tip, a secret technique that dramatically boosts eye-brain coordination and can noticeably improve your vision within days. So make sure you watch all the way till the last second, because this one tip alone can change your eyesight forever. Let's begin your 7-day vision booster challenge. Before we start with day 1, it's important to understand why your eyesight becomes weak in the first place. Our modern lifestyle is destroying our eyes slowly and silently. Hours of mobile usage, watching videos in dark rooms, working on computers without breaks, scrolling late at night, bright screens right before sleep, waking up and checking the phone before even getting out of bed, all of this puts enormous pressure on the tiny muscles inside your eyes. These muscles are responsible for focus, clarity, adjusting to light, and balancing your vision. When they get tired, your eyes feel heavy, blurry, dry, and overworked. But the truth is, your eyes are extremely powerful organs. When you train them daily using correct techniques, they respond quickly. Their muscles become active and strong again. The clarity returns. The sharpness returns. The focus improves. And that is exactly what you're going to do for the next 30 minutes with me. We are starting with day 1. Day 1 focuses on eye relaxation and warm-up. Rub your hands lightly until warm and gently place your palms over your closed eyes for 30 seconds. Feel the warmth relaxing your eye muscles. Repeat this 3 times. Now blink fast for 20 repetitions to activate your tear film. Take slow deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, letting all tension melt. This reduces strain and prepares your eyes for the upcoming exercises. Now day 2. The focus stretch exercise. Hold your finger close to your nose and focus on it. Slowly shift your focus to something far away, around 10 to 15 feet. Keep switching your focus back and forth for 15 to 20 repetitions. This strengthens the focus muscles that help you read, drive, or see detail clearly. On day 3, we strengthen the major movement muscles of your eyes. Look up, then down, left, then right. Make slow circles clockwise, then anti-clockwise. These movements improve muscle flexibility and reduce stiffness caused by screens. You may even feel lightness behind your eyes as blood flow increases. Day 4 is for natural tear repair. Good tear film is extremely important for clear vision. Go outside and stand in soft sunlight with your eyes closed for 10 minutes. Drink 2 extra glasses of water. Use cool cucumber slices to massage around your eyes in slow circles. This reduces dryness, itchiness, burning sensation, and strengthens your natural eye lubrication. Day 5 is nutrition day. If your diet lacks eye-nourishing nutrients, your vision will always struggle. Today, include carrots, spinach, eggs, almonds, or fish oil in at least one meal. These foods contain essential vitamins like A, E, lutein, and zeaxanthin, powerful nutrients that protect your eyes from strain and aging. Day 6 is the digital detox day, the most important day of the challenge. Use the 20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Reduce your overall screen time by 2 hours. Turn on night mode or blue light filter. This day teaches your eyes how to relax naturally and prevents long-term damage. Day 7 is your vision comparison test. In the morning, look at something far away, like a sign, text, or object. At night, look at the same thing again and compare the clarity. Most people see improvement by day 7, sharper outlines, less strain, cleaner vision, better comfort, reduced redness, and a lighter feeling behind the eyes. But the challenge does not end here. Now, for the next several minutes, I want to take you deeper into real habits and micro-practices that protect your vision every day. These habits are simple but extremely powerful. First, splash cold water on your eyes every morning to reduce morning puffiness and activate circulation. Second, always keep screen brightness equal to room lighting, never too bright, never too dim. Third, maintain at least 7 hours of sleep. Sleep repairs eye tissues and restores focus power. Fourth, give your eyes a 5-minute relaxation session before bed. Just close your eyes and breathe slowly. Fifth, never use your phone in a completely dark room. This can instantly strain your retina. Let's go even deeper. Your eyes react directly to stress. When your mind is tense, your eye muscles tighten. When your mind is calm, your eyes relax. So try this short relaxation technique. Close your eyes, take a slow deep breath, imagine a warm golden light flowing into your eyes with each inhale, refreshing and healing them. With each exhale, imagine all strain leaving your eyes. Do this for 1 minute every day. Now let's talk about daily habits that protect your eyes long term. Maintain proper distance from screens. Hold your phone at least 12 inches away. When working on a laptop, keep your screen slightly below eye level. Use natural light when reading. Blink often. Your blink rate drops by 70% when looking at screens, that's why your eyes dry out. Every hour, stand up, stretch your neck, roll your shoulders, and relax your eyes. These small things transform your visual comfort. Now let's talk about foods and nutrients that dramatically impact your eyesight. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which your eye converts into vitamin A, essential for night vision. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, the two nutrients proven to protect your retina from screen damage. Almonds provide vitamin E, which slows down age-related vision decline. Eggs support eye muscle strength. Fish oil reduces dryness and improves tear production. Even grapes, blueberries, and oranges help eye circulation. Include these foods regularly and your eyes will slowly become stronger and healthier. Now let's talk about the most dangerous habits for your eyes, so you can avoid them. Using screens in dark rooms. Staring for long periods without blinking. Rubbing your eyes aggressively. Holding your phone too close. Reading while lying down. All these weaken eye muscles and damage the tear layer. Avoid them and your eyes will thank you. Now let's talk about eye exercises you can continue even after this challenge ends. Near-far focus is one of the best exercises you can ever do. Palming relaxes your nerves. Circular eye movements improve flexibility. Candle focus boosts concentration. Distance viewing sharpens your central vision. Morning sunlight improves your natural biological clock, which also improves your eye comfort. Now we're entering the final part of this 30-minute session, and this is the part you must listen to carefully, because now I will reveal the powerful pro tip I promised. This one technique improves vision in children, adults, and even elderly people. It improves focus power, enhances eye-brain coordination, and brings noticeable clarity in a short time. Here it is, the 20-second candle focus technique. Light a candle and place it about 3 to 4 feet in front of you at eye level. Sit comfortably. Softly focus on the flame for 20 seconds, not staring harshly, just observing gently. After 20 seconds, close your eyes and visualize the flame in your mind for another 20 seconds. Repeat this for 3 rounds. This technique trains your central vision, strengthens your focus muscles, and sharpens your visual perception. Many people report improved clarity within 3 to 7 days of practicing this. Use this technique once daily, preferably in the evening. And that completes your full 7-day Vision Booster Challenge and your 30-minute eye health transformation session. If you start this challenge today and continue even half of these habits, your vision will become brighter, clearer, lighter and more comfortable within days. Your eyes deserve care, and you now have everything you need to take control of your vision health. Comment below, I'm joining the 7-day Vision Challenge, and I'll make your next video on vision-boosting foods and natural eye-strengthening hacks. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take care of your beautiful eyes. Stay healthy, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.